On October 27th, the Chevrolet Volt engineering team met with members of the National Federation of the Blind. The discussion focused on the sound level of the Chevrolet Volt and the electric vehicle's pedestrian-friendly alert system.
We've set up this opportunity to work with the National Federation of the Blind so we can look at some of the issues that are caused by vehicles that are relatively quiet, particularly at low speeds, like the Chevrolet Volt. This is an issue that's particularly important to the blind community.
They're a group that relies on sound cues to travel, and vehicles like the Volt have a drastically different sound cue or nothing at all compared to traditional vehicles, and they have a lot of good ideas about what we might do in the future.
We don't want it to be startling. We want it to be more of a pleasant sound, more of an excuse me sound as opposed to a hey you sound, if you want to think of it that way. And we also want something, though, that is still automotive in nature. You know, we don't want it to sound like birds, we want it to sound like a car. So what we've done here is we've taken the automotive horn and we're just operating it in a different way.
It's a good notification. It was a little louder than I expected.
If people, you know, activate it, I think it's going to do its job.
We're already working on the next generation of technologies that might be used to help with vehicles that emit low levels of sound at low speeds. It's never too early to get input when it comes to what should you be working toward, and so doing this now is probably just the right time.